Which sewer camera is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Mugeezy Endoscope Camera. Let's kick things off with the Mugeezy Endoscope Camera. Priced at just $29.99, this little gem caught my attention with its solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 2,100 reviews. If you want a reliable, affordable option for sewer inspection, this is worth a serious look. The camera is equipped with 8 adjustable LED lights, which means you can illuminate dark areas in your pipes effectively. Plus, it's IP67 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about water damage during your inspections. The 16.6-foot semi-rigid cable is another plus, allowing you to maneuver in tight spots easily. Now, some people complained about the lack of built-in media. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a straightforward tool to inspect your plumbing, this isn't a deal breaker. Many users appreciate its simplicity and ease of use. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a homeowner wanting to check your plumbing without calling a professional. Skip this one if you need advanced features or a longer cable. For the price, you're getting a solid value. Now, if the lack of built-in media bothered you, this next one might be even better for your needs. Product number 2, Kimpthy Endoscope Camera. Next up is the Kimpthy Endoscope Camera, retailing at $35.99. With a rating of 4.3 stars from 6,600 reviews, it's definitely making waves in the sewer camera market. If you're looking for something a bit more advanced, this one could be your answer. Connecting it to your smartphone is a breeze, letting you see real-time images right on your device. It's also IP67 waterproof, so it can handle the wet environments you might find while inspecting your plumbing. The brightness adjustable lights are a game changer too, making it easier to get clear shots in dim conditions. Now, some users reported the image quality can vary on different Android devices. Here's the reality: if you have an iOS device, you'll likely get clearer images, but for many, this camera still performs admirably. This camera is perfect for those who want a bit more technology without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're not comfortable using apps or smartphones during inspections. The value here is solid, especially for its features. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for more serious inspections. Product number 3, TGJOR Dual Lens Endoscope. The TGJOR Dual Lens Endoscope is next on our list, priced at $29.97. It boasts a 4.5-star rating from 1,000 reviews, which caught my eye. If you need a versatile camera for various inspections, this one deserves your attention. This model features a 5-inch HD screen and a dual lens system, allowing you to switch between front and side views. The clarity is impressive at 1080p, with a focus range that captures fine details like cracks and corrosion. Plus, the 16.4-foot cable and IP67 waterproof design make it suitable for all kinds of environments. The plug-and-play functionality is another highlight, meaning you can start using it straight out of the box. However, a few users noted that it can't take pictures or videos. Here's the thing: if you just need to see inside pipes without needing to save footage, this isn't a setback. This is perfect for mechanics, plumbers, and DIYers alike who need a reliable inspection tool. Skip this one if saving images or videos is crucial for your work. For what you get, it's a great price. Now, if you're looking for something even more advanced, this next option is worth considering. Product number 4, DEPSDCH DS300 Inspection Camera. Next, let's talk about the DEPSDCH DS300 Inspection Camera, which is priced at $49.99. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from over 7,100 reviews, it's clear this camera is popular. If you're serious about inspections, this model could be for you. The 4.3-inch IPS screen displays clear 1080p images, and the adjustable LED lights ensure you won't miss a detail. The semi-rigid cable is 16.5 feet long, allowing you to navigate tight spaces with ease. Plus, the battery lasts about 4 hours, which is ideal for longer jobs. Some users mentioned the autofocus feature isn't as responsive as they hoped. Here's the thing, if you're using it in a controlled environment, it should work just fine, but it might be a concern in more unpredictable settings. This camera is perfect for professionals in plumbing and HVAC fields needing reliable performance. Skip this one if you primarily need a simple tool for casual inspections. The value is excellent for what you're getting here. Now, if you want something that extends even further, the last product might just blow you away. Product number 5, DEPSDCH50FT Sewer Camera. Finally, we have the DEPSDCH50FT Sewer Camera. Priced at $109.99, this model has a 4.4-star rating from 354 reviews. If you're looking for an extended reach and advanced features, this camera is hard to beat. With a 50-foot semi-rigid cable, you can access deep voids and hard-to-reach areas with ease. The 5-inch IPS screen is large and clear, making it easy to spot issues. Plus, it's equipped with adjustable lighting, which helps illuminate dark areas effectively. However, some users found the price a bit steep compared to smaller models. Here's the thing though, if you're frequently working with plumbing or in professional settings, the investment can save you time and hassle in the long run. This is ideal for professionals who need a reliable and versatile tool for inspections. Skip this one if you only need a camera for occasional use. Given its features and capabilities, it offers great value for serious users. So there you have it. We covered the Mug-Easy for affordability, the Kimpthy for connectivity, the TGJOR for versatility, the DEPSDCH DS300 for professional use, and the DEPSDCH 50FT for extended reach. Each has its strengths, so it all depends on what you need most. Happy inspecting!